proportion can be used to calculate the length of LM in centimeters. And it says triangle HJK is similar to triangle LMN. Let's break this down a little bit. Let's look at the shapes. And let's go item by item. So we're going to look at A first. We're going to put 7.5, and we're going to highlight that side because we're looking to see if they match up in our proportion. Now, underneath it is 11.25. Now, let's highlight that in red. We circled it in red so we can compare. Are they on the same side? It looks so. So let's move on. Let's look at our blue LM. LM. Oh, blue. The LM on there is actually on our red triangle, so that won't work for our proportions. All right, so let's go B. Do the same process. Let's highlight 6 on our blue. We'll make blue our smaller triangle. And then let's look at our red. Actually, our blue underneath it. We'll highlight that one. So we have 7.5. Going to our LM, which is on our red triangle. Now, if you look at the LM, how they compare, they don't compare to the similar side. They're not on a corresponding side, so B doesn't work in this case either. Moving to C, 11.25 is on our red triangle. LM is on our red triangle, so we'll highlight that one. 4.5, which should correspond to 11.25, but it doesn't. It's on a different side. It's not a corresponding side, so that one doesn't work. And let's finally look at D. 9 is on our red triangle. LM is also on our red triangle. So we'll go over to 6, which will be on our blue triangle. So we're going to kind of look to see, do they match up in our proportions when we go to our fourth side? Yes, they do. You can see how it matches up in our picture. So our correct answer on this one is D.